Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove dark circles under your eyes on your selfie on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the camera icon to take a picture with your phone, or to the library section to select a photo from your gallery. Tap on the retouch button down below and slide to the right side of the screen until you find the dark circles button. So tap on it, and then you should zoom in, select your brush size on the scale, and brush across the area where you can find the dark circles under your eyes. And if you tap on the dark circles button, you will be able to see how it's being removed from your picture. So try it out on the next side of your screen, and you can see how it looks like it's being removed. So if you click on the eraser button, you can see that your photo is reset to the original copy. So if you want to change your or save your changes, click on the check mark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.